Hi guys, my name's Luke from Dynamic Creative. Today, we're going to look at how to create a dashboard in Google Data Studio using our free template. Firstly, go to datastudio.google.com, the first link in the description of this video. If you're not logged in, log into your Google account at this point. Then, click on the second link in the description to take you to the Dynamic Creative Data Studio Dashboard free template. Click on this button in the top right hand corner to make a copy of the document. You'll need to be logged in to do so. If prompted, go through the Welcome to Google Data Studio steps, accept the terms and conditions, and select your preferences for communication. Then, you can select data sources for your Google Analytics and Google Ads accounts. Select Google Ads and Analytics as the connectors. We're using sample data in this case, which we can change in a moment. Once this is complete, navigate to Resource and manage added data sources. You'll need to authorize Google Data Studio to access your Google Ads and Analytics data. If you click through Authorize, you can select the appropriate Google Ads account and Google Analytics accounts on this screen and click Connect in the top right hand corner. You'll then need to click Add to Report and then click Create Report. After you've done that, you'll have a Google Data Studio dashboard for your very own Google Ads campaigns. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or contact us today at dynamiccreative.com.